everyone, it's Vicki from Minerva. Today is a really exciting day because today is kit launch day here at Minerva. So in case you didn't know, every single month here at Minerva we launch brand new sewing kits that contain everything you need to make the garment, and we pair together some gorgeous patterns, either brand new patterns or really popular ones, with some of our gorgeous fabrics, and you know that when you buy the kit they'll contain everything that you need. So the kits this month, we have two gorgeous dress kits for you this month, which we just thought was perfect for this time of year, and we've paired them with some of our fabulous quality cotton sateen fabrics in the Minerva Exclusive range. So let's have a look at the patterns that we've chose this month. So the first one is the Nomi, a Nomi pattern, designed by Beauty Shador, and this is number 2016, and this has been a really popular pattern since this was launched last year. It's an absolutely gorgeous dress which comes in two different views, each of them that have really big puff sleeves that make a really big feature on the dress. You can see them on this sample here that we've got sewn on the mannequin here. So it's a really stunning dress, and the cotton sateen fabric we've chose for it is just perfect because the structure, it's a very soft fabric, but it still has some body and structure, so it holds that sleeve beautifully. The other dress we've got is Simplicity 8014, and this is a shirt dress that comes with 4 different options in the pattern. So you have different length options, different sleeve options, different neckline options, and then some of them are straighter shirt dresses, and 2 of them are with a fuller skirt. So whatever style of shirt dress you like, I'm sure you'll probably be able to get it from this pattern. So just to mention with our Minerva Exclusive Kits, first of all, so they do contain everything you need to be able to make any view or any size from the pattern. So that's the fabric, the pattern itself, the paper pattern, and all the bits, the notions that you need. However, they are completely customisable. So if, for example, you already own the pattern, then you could just remove that from the kit and just buy everything else. If you already have your own fabric at home, then you could just buy the pattern itself and maybe some of the notions. If, for example, you're going to want to make the pattern a little bit longer, perhaps you're maybe taller than average, you could always add a bit more fabric on if you wanted to. If you wanted to buy 2 of the same kit, then obviously you wouldn't need 2 of the same pattern, or 2 of the same packs of needles, things like that. So you can just tweak the kit, so you only need to buy what you need, because obviously if you already own the pattern, then it's just a complete waste if you'd have to buy it again. And with all Minerva Exclusive kits, we always do completely free sew-alongs for each of the kits. So in those videos, if you're more of a visual learner, or if you're more new to sewing, or you just need a helping hand, those videos are there to guide you through right from start to finish through making the pattern. So they're just there as an extra help and resource if you would like to use them. So let's have a look at what's actually included in the kits this month. So we'll start with the Nomi pattern, this gorgeous dress with the big puff sleeves like the one here that we made in the sew along video. So what you actually get included in the kit, now the pattern itself, you have 2 different size options, so do make sure you choose the correct one when you're choosing your pattern. So the smaller size range contains sizes 8 to 16, and the larger contains sizes 18 to 26. And so in the kit itself, so you get the pattern, of course, you get a packet of iron-on interfacing, you get a packet of machine sewing needles, which are perfect for the fabric that's included in your kit. You also get a packet of elastic, which is the type you'll need for this pattern. You also get an invisible zip that will match your fabric. You also get a piece of lining fabric, which again will coordinate with the fabric, whichever one that you choose. And then you also get a matching Gutterman sew-all thread as well, which of course again will match the fabric option that you choose. Now, onto the fabric options themselves, because this is the exciting bit, isn't it? So like I said, the fabric we've put in the kit this month is absolutely gorgeous quality cotton sateen fabric. So that's not a satin fabric, it's not shiny at all, it's a sateen weave, which gives, for a cotton fabric, it gives it a really luxurious silky sort of finish. but it has more body than what like a cotton lawn is, for example. So none of the prints is see-through at all, so you don't need to worry about that. And it just has, if I hold it out here, you'll be able to see it has this absolutely most incredible drape for a cotton fabric. You know, cotton fabrics don't usually have this amount of silkiness, softness or drape, but this sateen weave is just really, really special. So this print is called Inky Grove, and as you can see, it's the same as the version we've got on the mannequin there. Really, really beautiful, blue and white, fresh, summery sort of design. Now, as we go through this video, you'll notice we'll insert some photos of all the dresses made up by our amazing brand ambassadors who have sewn up these kits this month. So you can actually see them made up, you know, on real people. And yeah, I think it's just really inspiring, isn't it, to actually see them made up. But yeah, so that's the first fabric option. The second one is our incredibly popular Animal Glow design. So how gorgeous is that print? Really, really, such a statement print, gorgeous colours, and yeah, I think that would make a really wow sort of dress. Then onto something a little bit softer, very pretty design. This is called Expressive Butterflies, and it's a soft, like a pea green background with these gorgeous butterflies on it, and that's really, really pretty. Next up, we have Brushstroke Blooms. So this is a predominantly green design, but there's lots of other colours in there as well. Pinks, navies, turquoises, yellows, orange. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Again, another one I think that's perfect for summertime because it's just so colourful, fresh. Yeah, just makes it feels like summer, does that print to me. And then the last option we've got in this particular kit is Leopard Love, which is a gorgeous animal print design with little hearts within the animal print. It's really, really pretty in this fabulous fiery orange colourway. I think that's really, really special. This is a much smaller scale print, so the colours, you know, quite vivid and bright and loud, but the print itself is quite subtle and much smaller scale on that one. So that's the 5 options in the Know Me dress kit. Now, the next kit, so this is the Simplicity 8014 shirt dress. So again, in this kit, you get the paper pattern, of course, and that comes in 2 different size options. So do just make sure you choose the correct one when you're adding the kit to your basket. The smaller size range contains sizes 6 to 14, and the larger one is sizes 16 to 24. Now, included in your kit, so you get, of course, the pattern itself, you get a packet of iron-on interfacing, you get a packet of needles, again, which are the perfect type for the fabric. You get a matching Gutterman Sewall thread, which will match the fabric that you choose. And then you also get these beautiful pearlised little buttons that are little shank buttons that obviously are for the front of the shirt dress. So you get 3 packets of those, which will coordinate with the fabric that you choose. And then the fabric options, so oh, there's some beautiful ones in this kit as well. So the first one we've got, so this one is Floral Expression. And this is a beautiful blue, almost navy. So it's like a light navy colour in the background with these gorgeous flowers on there in reds, pinks, oranges, magenta, turquoise. Really, really beautiful. Again, another one, a beautiful one for summer. Then we have Peacock Nebula. This is one of my favourite designs, I love it. So this is a peacock feather print. How gorgeous is that? In shades of turquoise, purples, blues. Really, really pretty. Again, it's one of those that maybe from a distance it just looks like an abstract print, but then when you look up close you can see those peacock feathers. Really, really stunning. There's something about peacock feather prints, I think they're just gorgeous. Next up, we've got one of our iconic, super popular prints from the Minerva Exclusive range, and this is Jungle Dreamer. This is a really fun print. So it's a navy blue background with flowers and leaves, and then hidden in those are these gorgeous animals, that beautiful sort of like mustard come rust colour that really sets off beautifully against that background navy. Gorgeous print. Next up, we have something a little bit smaller scale. So again, a gorgeous bright colour still, but a smaller scale print. And this is our popcorn jelly print design in the green colourway. So like I say, it's a smaller print design, this one, but hopefully you can see that on camera. It's the surface of the fabric, it's like covered with splodges and circle spots of all different sort of like irregular shapes in all different colours against that green background. Really, really pretty design. And then last of all, we have one of our most popular prints in the Minerva Exclusive range, and this is Boudoir Bouquet, which just looks absolutely gorgeous on the cotton sateen. How beautiful is that? So this petrol-y, sort of like a deep petrol colour in the background with hints of pink and turquoise in the leaves, the flowers and the leaves on the surface there. Really, really gorgeous. I think that's absolutely beautiful. So that's all 5 options in both of the kits. So today on Minerva, you'll be able to see all our amazing brand ambassadors that have made these kits this month. We'll be sharing their makes on the website, so you can see lots of photos of each of the kits actually made up, you know, worn on real people, made by real sewists in the community. I think it's always just very inspiring, isn't it, to actually see the kits made up and just be able to see them really on different, you know, people of different shapes and sizes. And our brand ambassadors are always really you know, really generous at sharing their tips and you know, experience of sewing the kits. So all of those you'll be able to see on the homepage on Minerva today. As always, we'll tag all the patterns and all the fabrics that I've mentioned in today's video, and then actually in the descriptions of this video we'll put links to each individual kit, and we'll also put a link to the kit section on our website, so you can just head to that link and you can see all the kits as we've launched them in chronological order. So obviously, you know, these brand new ones will be right at the top of there. So I think that's everything I wanted to mention. Do let me know in the comments below. So which is your favourite pattern? Which is your favourite fabric option? Would you love to sew any of the kits this month? Yeah, I think they're just 2 quite different but really, really gorgeous dress patterns. And the fabric this month is just absolutely perfect for either of those patterns. I think they're going to look absolutely gorgeous when you guys make them. Please do share your makes with us on Minerva, because we love seeing what you make in our patterns and fabrics. Yeah, it's always just such a joy to see things that we put together actually, you know, being sewn up by our customers. Yeah, it's fabulous to see them on the website, so do share them with us. Please do give this video a like and a follow if you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching today, and I'll be back again soon with another video filled with sewing and fabric goodness.